Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back. You're all welcome. Very happy good evening, बेटा निष्का विश्वास and all. कैसे हो बेटा आप सभी? How are you all? Homework completed. Very happy good evening, बेटा शिवा तरुण, सुष्मित नैंडी. Confirm me, my dear students. Audio, video, crystal clear to all of you. Can we proceed? Okay, बेटा. Fantastic. Mind blowing, superb. So now we are in lecture number 26, Reactor and Numericals Part 6. As you all know, this is Gaurav Shrivastava sir from Engineering Institute of India, Best Institute for Chemical Engineering GATE 2026 preparation. I have 14 plus years of teaching experience, multiple GATE top ranks, this year rank AIR 43. So without any delay, my dear students, I am going to start today's lecture with one beautiful numerical on this CSTR in series. Okay, CSTR in series. So one beautiful problem asked, see, in 2000. And problem is very easy. Options are there. Okay, options are there. But I'm not going to give you options because the same problem, if they are going to ask in 2026, then more than 95% chances are there that they are not going to provide you options. So please tell me answer. Your timer is started, my dear students. Conversion for first order liquid phase reaction in a CSTR is 50%. Now they are asking if you are going to attach one more CSTR of same volume in series, then what is the percentage conversion at the exit of the second reactor? Tell me, beta. Problem is very easy. Come on, last 1 minute approx. And my dear students, I want 100% correct answer. Okay. Last 35 seconds. Point 667. Beta, Shiva Tarun absolutely wrong. Okay, very good. But as I already told you, beta, I will accept only first answer. So here clearly asked percentage conversion. Any more answer, beta? Okay, now just focus here. If unable to solve, no need to worry. Very good, beta Sushmit Nandi. I think 75% is the right answer. So Shiva Tarun, please check your mistake, beta. देखो गलती कहाँ की हो बेटा शिवा तरुण. Okay. Very good, Anushka Viswas. The conversion for first order liquid phase reaction in CSTR is 50%. That means this is a CSTR. And here, my dear students, we are getting conversion 50%. That means 0.5. Okay. and liquid phase reaction A is forming B, happens there. Very good, beta Mehna, absolutely correct. This is a CSTR. Now in our problem it is written that what will happen if of the same volume, like if the volume here is V, so here again V and again V volume, same volume CSTR, see same volume CSTR, you are connected in series. Okay, so in that case this should be XA1, and from here the conversion that you are going to get, that will be XA2. So this one asked, but in percentage at the exit of the second reactor will be. So problem is very easy. You can assume here molar flow rate Fa naught. So just you can apply design equation beta for first reactor. This is reactor number 1. This is reactor number 2. Okay. So for CSTR1, design equation everyone know. You can write V by F A naught, and that equals to XA upon minus RA. And clearly mentioned first order kinetics, so you can write minus RA as KCA, but reaction rate constant value is not given beta. Okay, reaction rate constant value is not given. Very good, Ayush, Mehna, Anushka, Susmit, सभी का सही है. Shiva Tarun, please check your answer one more time beta. Now further you can write it as V by Fa naught, that equals to 0.5. For first one you can write here XA1 upon K, and CA, in place of CA you can write CA naught 1 minus XA, and XA is 0.5. So with the help of this expression you can write VKCA naught upon Fa naught. You know Fa naught can be written as V naught CA naught, and that can be written as 0.5 upon 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5 by 0.5, that means 1. Or you can write VK by V naught as 1, or you can यहीं पे छोड़ दो, just left it in this form, no need to write in terms of tau. Okay, C naught cancelled. I hope till now everything is crystal clear to all of you beta. Now for CSTR2, again we are going to apply design equation for CSTR, and this time beta it can be written as V, because volume was again same, so V by Fa naught, or it can be written as V by V naught CA naught, and that becomes equals to XA2 minus XA1 and whole upon KCA naught 1 minus XA2. Are you able to understand? Very good beta Shiva Tarun. आपने यहाँ पे 1 लिख दिया था क्या शिवा तरुण? This mistake done by you? Had you taken 1 or 2? It's KCA2, and CA2 can be written as CA0 1 minus XA2. Now CA0 cancelled, and VK V0. In this place you can write 1. So 1 equals to XA2 minus 0.5 and whole upon 1 minus XA2. Further moving, you can write 1 minus XA2 equals to XA2 minus 0.5. बोलो यहाँ तक क्या जो हमने किया, is it correct or something wrong? Tell me beta. Are you able to understand? Now this XA2 can be written here. So XA2, 2XA2, and 1 plus 0.5 will be 1.5. So XA2 will be 1.5 by 2. That means you can write beta 0.75. So clearly our answer is 75%. बोलो बेटा सभी को क्लियर है? Now everyone able to handle these type of series questions from CSTR 1, 2, 3, any number of CSTRs for any reaction order, you are going to handle in similar manner. Clear sir? Very good beta Shiva Tarun. Okay, so now in the similar manner we are now going to attach PFR in series. Okay, PFR in series. So next heading, PFR in series. PFR in series. Just wait. Just making diagram. आप भी देख लो यार, आप भी साथ साथ बनाते रहो. Any number of PFRs you can arrange in series manner, but here just a typical example I am showing. So I am taking three PFR in series. Okay. Here volume is V, and here first PFR volume is V1, second one V2, and third one V3. Molar flow rate of your feed is FA0. Here also I am assuming same as FA0. Okay. Volumetric flow rate V0. Here I am also writing V0. Simple any type of reaction you can assume. So I am writing RA, and that RA can be written as K function of C. That is for any order, okay, for any given order. Now I am going to do beautiful analysis here. So again, we need two diagrams, beta. We need two diagrams in the similar manner as we drawn for CSTR, and both diagrams we are going to make on the same graph. Again I am drawing a beautiful graph between 1 by RA versus XA, and just a typical graph I am making here. That means for all positive order reactions, the graph will look like this. Okay, N is greater than 0. Okay, now same result you can also show for N greater than 0 or N equals to 0 or any order. Okay, now see first case. Clearly here, initially suppose feed is not converted, so xa0 I am taking here as 0, and here the conversion is xa1, here the conversion is xa2, and here the conversion is xa3. That xa3 is final conversion that we are getting from 3 PFR in series. And here again, in this case xa0 is 0, and the final conversion we are getting just by using 1 CSTR. And if I am telling that in both case XAF is same, so just I want to check in which case volume will be more. So for first one, suppose this is your 0, this is your XA1, this is your XA2. Suppose this is your XA1, this is your XA2. So for first one, it will show you what? It will show you V1 by FA0 value. Now, this area under curve will show you V2 by FA0. Similarly, my dear students, this area under curve will give you the value of V3 by FA0. Now, suppose we are not going to use 3 PFR in series. We are using just a single PFR of volume V in order to get this conversion. In that case, how to draw? See, this will show you V by FA0. So clearly V1, V2, V3 by F naught, F naught, F naught, F naught, F naught cancelled. So V1, V2, V3 will be equals to. Here clearly you can see beta that V1, V2 and V3 is equals to V. Previously you had seen that if you are using CSTR in series, you will get more conversion. You will get more conversion. But here what you are seeing beta? There is no advantage of using PFR in series. That means there is no advantage of using PFR in series. That means in your examination, if they are saying a PFR of 2 meter volume is followed by another PFR of 5 meter cube volume, no need to worry. Just handle as a single PFR of 7 meter cube volume, you will get same answer. Are you able to understand? Please tell me everyone. Very happy good evening किया दास थोड़ा लेट आई बेटा. टेल मी बेटा, इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? क्या ये आप सभी को क्लियर है? Is it crystal clear, my dear students? Okay, so what conclusion we can give here, my dear students? यहाँ आप क्या conclusion दे सकते हो? Conclusion. There is no advantage. There is no advantage of using PFR in series. Okay, there is no advantage of using PFR in series because for same conversion, because for same conversion V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to V. ओके बेटा, सभी को क्लियर? एवरीवन क्रिस्टल क्लियर? वेरी वेरी इजी ना? ओके, डन. Okay, so next is CSTR in parallel, followed by PFR in parallel, followed by CSTR and PFR in series and parallel. Okay, we will proceed one by one, step by step. So next heading, please write down beta. CSTR in parallel. CSTR in parallel. And draw this diagram. Now see, I am using 3 CSTR here. Again, I am telling you that any number of CSTRs can be asked in your examination. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 2. Okay, it can be 2. So now CSTR in parallel. CSTR in parallel. Okay. So here, my dear students, this is CSTR. So you can install agitators there. Now, this is your mainstream flute. Coming from this side, and that here bifurcate in 3 part. One you are sending here, one you are sending here, and one you are sending here, and this is your FA naught. That means FA naught you are going to bifurcate in 3 CSTRs. आप FA naught को यहाँ 3 CSTR में दे रहे हो. Now what type of question can be asked in examination? Because clearly all reactors here works independently. यहाँ सारे रिएक्टर इंडिपेंडेंट वर्क कर रहे हैं, सो डेफिनेटली दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क जस्ट व्हाट इज कन्वर्जन एसेट्रा टाइप क्वेश्चन, बट दे विल formulate question in different manner for these type of cases. If they are asking conversion, that will be very very easy for you. So mostly they are asking that if From here, this is your exit. From here, this is your exit. From here, this is your exit. And they will tell you in examination that here the conversion is xa1, here the conversion is xa2, here the conversion is xa3. And if xa1 is equals to xa2 is equals to xa3, and you are combining again the exit as well as the entry point, and now overall conversion, if I am telling xa, so can you tell me what xa will be more than xa1 or less than xa1? The xa that you are getting here will be more than or less than? Confirm me beta. Is it more than or less than? Tell me everyone. Jasem, are you there in live class? Anushka Joseph typing. Tell me beta. Anushka Viswas more. Everyone, I want comment from each and every student. थोड़ा जल्दी बताया करो यार. If you unable to tell, then no, Ayush, F A naught is not splitted equally. Ayush, F A naught is not splitted equally. Okay, maybe in the first one more F A naught is there, more part of F A naught is there, and in second less. So I'm not telling that F A naught is splitted equally. Vishnu same, Mehna equal. Kya Das Susumendra don't know sir. Anushka more. Siva Tarun equal. Ayush, tell me beta your answer now. Here F A naught is not splitted equally. Okay. F A naught को बराबर बराबर नहीं दिया, नहीं बांटा. Then don't know. Ayush, okay beta, no need to worry. My dear students, tell me one thing. Suppose here 100 was there. eh? Suppose here 40 you are sending. Suppose here 50 you are sending. Here 10 you are sending. So 40. Suppose the conversion all same I am telling. So suppose the conversion was 50%. So here clearly you will get 20A from this line, and you will get out of 50 25 unconverted, out of 10 5 unconverted. 25 and 20 and 5 50 unconverted, that means 50 converted out of 100, but I still 50% now. If I told you in all these lines conversion will remain same, then after adding these lines still the conversion will remain same now. Are you able to understand? ये समझ में आया क्या आपको? Is it crystal clear, my dear students? Yes sir, very good, very good, very good. Very easy concepts that are once understand, never you are going to forget here. Okay, so clearly it will be equals to xa. 100% it will become equal to xa. अनुष्का विश्वास सर, कैन यू रिपीट बेटा? अनुष्का विश्वास, आप तीन लाइन अलग अलग प्राप्त कर रहे हो, उन तीनों लाइन से आपको सेम कन्वर्जन मिल रहा है, जैसा कि हमने लिख दिया था xa1 xa2 xa3 सेम है, तो उन तीनों को जब मिक्स करोगे तब भी तो आपको कन्वर्जन उतना ही ना मिलेगा. You got xa1 xa2 xa3, and I told you that the xa1 becomes equals to xa2 becomes equals to xa3, and now if you're going to combine these three lines, still the overall conversion will remain same now. Okay, like 100 50 50 50, whatever the amount you are sending to that reactor, whatever the amount you are sending to that reactor, 50% converted, so overall is still 50% converted na yaar. Got it sir, very good, very good, very good, fantastic यार, बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे हैं, शानदार. Here you can write volume V1. For this one you can write volume V2. For this one you can write volume V3. Now, what question can be asked here? That what required in order to get xa1 equals to xa2 equals to xa3? This is the problem that they can ask you. यही आपसे पूछा जाता है। और दे कैन आस्क यू इफ वी आर फेडिंग आउट ऑफ दिस 100, v1 वैल्यू इज इतना, v2 v3 इज नॉट इक्वल टू v1, एंड इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ x1 इज इतना and the amount in the first line we are sending itna, then what will be the amount we are sending in second and third one, and what will be the value of v2 and v3? These type of questions can be asked. So my dear students, for this, what required? It is possible, it is possible, it is possible only when v by fa naught is identical. What does it mean here? What does it mean, my dear students? Like here, for this line, the ratio v1 by fa1. For this line, the ratio v2 by fa2. Here, the ratio v3 by fa3. Identical means what? Identical means what? That means v1 by fa1 must become equals to v2 by fa2, and it must become equal to v3 by fa3. Only in this case, xa1 will be equals to xa2 will be equals to xa3. Now, why sir? Why sir? ऐसा क्यों है sir? See बेटा, the design equation is v by fa naught equals to xa by ra. Now, one thing is crystal clear to all of you. If the conversion is same, so clearly the exit concentration will remain same, like ca1, ca2, ca3. These all will remain same na yaar. CA1 becomes equals to CA2 becomes equals to CA3, or becomes equals to, you can write CA. You can write CA. So clearly you can write here whenever you are going to write for this or for this, for this. If the temperature in all these reactors same, then reaction rate constant also same. So RA is not going to change. It is clear. XA is also not going to change, as we told you. We fixed it that from all the reactors, the value of this xa1 will remain same. So like for first one, if you are writing xa1 by ra1, okay, so clearly it must become equal to this one. ये भी एक ratio आ गया देखो, and also it must become equal to this one for this given case. So my dear students, if right hand side is same, then definitely it is possible only when left hand side for all these reactors also same ना. अगर ये same है यार, so clearly v by fa naught for first one, v by fa naught for second one, v by fa naught for third one, ये भी तो सेम होना चाहिए ना बेटा. Are you able to understand? Please tell me. Is it crystal clear, my dear students? क्या ये आप सभी को क्लियर है? Can we proceed? क्या हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं? Everyone tell me. Everyone please tell me, my dear students. This one is crystal clear. चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, so wait, I'm making one beautiful numerical for you. New numerical for you. How they can formulate in examination. Okay, so just focus. Sir, CA1 equals to CA2 कैसे? बेटा CA naught is same in all cases. मेहना CA naught is same in all cases. देख लो भाई. See बेटा मेहना. CA1 is CA naught 1 minus XA1. CA2 is CA naught 1 minus XA2. CA3 is CA naught 1 minus XA3. So my dear students, if XA1, XA2, XA3 is same, so clearly if XA1 equals to XA2 equals to XA3, then 100%, CA1 equals to CA2 equals to CA3. Is it clear बेटा? बोलो, जल्दी बोलेंगे. Meena, is it crystal clear? Got it. Fantastic, mind-blowing, super. Okay, so can we proceed, my dear students? Yesterday, suddenly, just I opened your YouTube, and one lecture was there of some other institute for CRE. And in that lecture, they are dealing with variable volume system, and you know the equation written by them was totally incorrect. So, my dear students, it is strongly recommended from my side that please don't see anything from YouTube. If you are a paid member, then just see the contents that I am providing here. Okay, and if you're confusing anywhere, then before correction, please call me or please ask me, sir. I little bit confusion in this topic. Please clear it. Okay, चलो. So अभी एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए फॉर्मुलेट कर रहे हैं बेटा. प्लीज एवरीवन सी हियर. Problem is very very good. Just focus again. CS3 CSTRs are in parallel, and this should be your problem number 121. 121. This is not GATE PYQ, it's new question. Now try to understand problem. Problem पे ध्यान देंगे बेटा सभी लोग. So again, okay. So same question like here xa1, xa2. This time we are going to solve with some numerical values. Okay, this is fa naught, and here you are sending fa1, here you are sending fa2, here you are sending fa3. Okay, this is xa, and mentioned with your question that xa1 equals to xa2 equals to xa3. This is given. This is given. This is given along with your question. ये आपके प्रॉब्लम के साथ दिया हुआ है. Now, if fa naught is 100, suppose fa naught is 100, I am telling few more data with this question given, that is fa naught is 100 mole per second. This is given 100 mole per second. Fa naught is 100 mole per second. You can use impellers here, impellers here, impellers here. The volume of first one is V1, the volume of second reactor is V2, the volume of third CSTR is V3. Okay, now one more data is given that the value of V1 is 2 liter. The value of V1 is 2 liter. Okay. Now, if FA1 is, if FA1 is 10 mole per second, if FA1 is 10 mole per second, then now you have to find fa2 और fa3 भी चलो यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा अननोन हो रहा है. fa1 is 10, fa2 suppose it is nearly 60, चलो मान लेते हैं इसे 60 mole per second. So fa3 will be 60 70, so it will be 30 mole per second. Okay, so now you have to tell the value of, then V2 is equals to how much liter and V3 is equals to how much liter. Okay, this one is unknown to you. So I hope beta you are able to solve it, because already complete basic behind it discussed by me. So please beta solve it, and I hope that I will get 100% answers from your side. Yeah, come on, फटाफट फटाफट. These type of questions they can formulate, and also they can ask you fa2 fa3 by giving the value of v1 v2 v3. क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात भाई। सुस्मित नंदी छा गया बेटा। विष्णु सबसे फास्ट है इसमें, शिवा तरुण फास्टेस्ट। विष्णु, सुस्मित, अनुष्का, एवरीवन इज फास्टेस्ट इफ यू आर गिविंग आंसर इनसाइड द गिवन टाइमर बेटा। वेरी हैप्पी। सो दिस टॉपिक इज क्रिस्टल क्लियर बेटा। समझ गए इससे प्रॉब्लम कैसे आ सकती है एवरीवन? वेरी गुड बेटा मैना, वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक, सुपर सुपर। Now stopping timer because mostly I got answers. Few students is still doing. Okay, take 30 more second. Very good बेटा किया दास. So now focus here. Problem is very very easy here. कुछ था ही नहीं इसमें. So solution. You know V by F naught must be identical. So V1 by FA1, that is here 2 by FA1 is 10, and that must be equals to V2 by FA2, and it also must become equals to V3 by FA3. Now take this part. See here. So 2 by 10, that means 1 by 5 equals to V2. FA2 is given as 60. So clearly after solving, V2 will be 60 by 5, that means 12 liter. This is one answer. Now by solving this with this one, what will you get? Again 1 by 5, that equals to V3 by FA3. FA3 is 30, so 30 by 5, that means V3 will be 6 liter. Okay, so answer is 12 comma 6, V2 V3 simultaneous respectively. Okay, now I am changing the previous question little bit. Okay, this time V1 suppose 5 liter, V2 given 10 liter, V3 given 15 liter. Okay, FA1 is 10 mole per second. Then they are asking what is the value of FA2 and what is the value of FA3. Okay, in mole per second. Now please solve this बेटा, फटाफट इसे solve करेंगे. Problem is still remains same. Mentioned in your question that xa1 is equals to xa2 is equals to xa3. प्रॉब्लम शायद अच्छे से फॉर्मुलेट नहीं हुआ है अभी. फॉर दिस गिवन क्वेश्चन दिस शुड नॉट बी गिवन, एफ ए नॉट नहीं गिवन होगा अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट विद गिवन डेटा. नो कंसिस्टेंट. Or maybe they can ask you, instead of asking these two, they can ask you what is the value of fa naught. आपसे ये भी पूछ सकते थे. और they can ask you just the value of fa naught, how much mole per second. वेरी गुड बेटा. अनुष्का, विश्वास, जोसेफ, मेहना, शिवा तरुण, क्या बात. Done. Chalo. Shushmit is typing. Okay, beta, give me answer. Very good, beta. Shushmit Nandi. Okay, I think that's enough time. Very good, beta. Kyadas. Very good, very good. Fantastic. So, see, my dear students, here again, in similar manner, you can solve. So, V1 by FA1, and that is here 5 liter by 10. That is 1 by 2. And clearly, it must be equals to V2 by Fa2, and it must be equals to V3 by Fa3. Why? Because clearly mentioned XA1, XA2, XA3 identical. Now, by taking this, see, 1 by 2 is equals to V2 is 10. So 10 by Fa2. So clearly after solving, Fa2 is 20 mole per second. 20 mole per second. And by solving these two, 1 by 2 is equals to V3 is V3 by Fa3, and V3 is 15. So 15 by Fa3. So clearly after solving, Fa3 will be 15 to the 30 mole per second. If they are asking about this, so this become equals to Fa1 plus Fa2 plus Fa3. So 10 plus what was Fa2? 20 plus 30. It's 60. I hope that everyone crystal clear. बोलो सभी को clear है क्या ये? Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Now, see, for the same problem, they can ask you in different manner. Like they can suppose I'm asking in the same 122. I'm asking 122A, 122B, but now I'm asking 122C. The fraction of feed fed to the reactor 2 is. Can you tell me this answer, beta? The fraction of feed fed to the reactor 3 is. Can you tell me this answer? Can you solve C and D part, my dear students? क्या आप इसके C और D part को solve कर सकते हो 122 के? इस तरह से भी आपसे एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं. This manner also they can ask you question in GATE examination or any other PSU examination also. Tell me answer. Very good. Very good. So for second, that means you need Fa2 by Fa0. Here you need Fa3 by Fa0. So for first one, what is the value of Fa2? Fa2 is 20. So 20 by 60. 20 by 60. That means 0.333 up to 3 decimal places. Okay. And here what is the value of Fa3? Fa3 is 30 mole. So you can write 30 by 60. After solving, it will give you 0.50. बोलो बेटा सभी को क्लियर है? Everyone able to solve any problem relating this topic CSTR in parallel? Can we proceed? क्या हम PFR in parallel की तरफ proceed करें बेटा? So here you got for same conversion in any branch, if you're writing, then V by Fa0 must be identical. Okay, V by Fa0 must be identical. Now, next heading, my dear students, PFR in parallel. Step by step. Okay, so next step is PFR in parallel. Please draw this diagram, beta. Okay, beta, done. These all are PFR. XAF. FA1, FA2. Now, see, here, can you tell me, is it possible to make XA1 is equals to XA2 is equals to XA3? Please tell me, everyone. Is it possible to make this? Confirm me, beta. For any general case, is it possible? No, no. Because clearly XA1 is going to increases. So XA1 must be less than XA2. Only this is possible when just this XA1 is going to give you just V1 is going to give you 100% conversion, or this V3 is going to give you 100% conversion. Then 100 can't exceed 100, so 100 here also 100. Okay, and this becomes equals to XA3. So this is general case that they can ask you. ये वाला केस आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. Okay, they maybe they are not going to mention you XA1, so they will mention this line as same overall conversion in each branch, okay. Maybe more than two branches are there. Here I am showing you just two branches, maybe three branches are there. And one more thing, beta, it also must become equals to XAF in similar manner as you had seen previously. जैसा आपने पहले देखा था वही तो यहाँ भी है. सेम कन्वर्जन वाली लाइंस को जब आप मिलाओगे, ओवरऑल कन्वर्जन XA2 XA3 सेम, and now you are mixing them, so again you will get same XAF now. Sir, are reactors 1 or 2 are, yeah, but reactor 1 and reactor 2 are in series. 1 and 2 are in series. Okay, both are PFR and they are in series and they are with V3 in parallel. Okay, बेटा सुष्मित नंदी समझ गए बेटा. Now here again they can ask you same question that when it will become equal. Now your answer will remain same, my dear students. You have to tell this is possible, this is possible, when V by FA naught is identical for branches. Identical for branches. Same thing. So very easy to remember यार. Very easy to remember. बहुत ही आसान है remember करना. Now the question is, sir, here we have to take x1 to x2 limit. Like here if you are going to write design equations, see how to write these design equations. कैसे लिखोगे design equation? Like for first one, it's v1 by fa1 and that equals to 0 to xa1 dxa by minus ra. For this one you can write v2 by fa1 here enters. Here what enters? Is it fa2? No. Same you have to write y because again the conversion that you are writing that is in accumulated manner. वो कैसे है बेटा? वो accumulated manner में है. But the limit now is xa1 to xa2. xa1 to xa2 dxa by minus r. And here it's v3 by fa Roman number second that equals to 0 to xa3 dxa by minus r. Now if PFR in series, just you know, no need to worry yaar. The same diagram that you are seeing here you can also you can use just like one single PFR. But please tell me beta, can we write here also in similar manner that v1 by fa1 equals to v2 by fa1 equals to v3 by fa2? Just tell me everyone, please confirm me beta. Is it crystal clear to all of you beta? क्या ये आप सभी को क्लियर है? फटाफट बताएंगे. Tell me beta, is it clear? Is it clear? ये सही है ना? तो मिस्टेक है क्या अनुष्का? क्या मिस्टेक है भाई? नॉट पॉसिबल. क्या मिस्टेक क्या है ये तो बताओ यार हमें. प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट मिस्टेक. व्हाट मिस्टेक? व्हाट मिस्टेक? मिस्टेक क्या है? इफ वी कांट राइट देन व्हाट मिस्टेक वी हैड डन हियर? यहाँ क्या गलती की है हम लोगों ने? वेरी गुड. क्या बात है भाई. So clearly for first branch total volume is not V1 not V2, it's V1 plus V2. So for this case V1 plus V2 by FA1 and it becomes equals to V3 by FA2. Only in this manner beta you will get same overall conversion in each branch. बोलो सभी बच्चा लोगों को क्लियर है? Everyone crystal clear ना? Everyone crystal clear? Tell me बेटा, सभी को क्लियर? So the same diagram we can also draw like this. Both diagrams are equivalent to each other. The above diagram can be shown like this: V1 plus V2, because we know there is no advantage of using PFR in series. In both cases, you will get same overall conversion. So clearly, the above case can be written like this: overall conversion in both the branches are same. Okay, everyone crystal clear? तो क्या इसके भी न्यूमेरिकल्स लगा लिए जाएं बेटा फटाफट? Tell me everyone, is it crystal clear beta? Can we proceed? Now solve this beautiful numerical. $50, $100, and the third one $200. Okay. So here we are mentioning that XA1 is equals to XAF. We are not telling that it also become equals to XA2. But I hope everyone crystal clear. If XA1 is equals to XAF, then definitely XA2 is also same. समझ रहे बेटा? Susnandi sir, can you explain one more time? Beta, I told here that by using PC 0 to XA, you can write limits na, like 0 to uh, suppose something written 0 to 4. Then you can write like 0 to 1 plus 1 to 4. ऐसे लिख सकते हो ना? So same thing here you can also see dxa by r is same. So 0 to xa1, xa1 to xa2. So you can add 0 to xa2. And in that case, complete volume is instead of v1, it's v1 plus v2. अच्छा ये विजिबल नहीं है इधर, ये लो अभी विजिबल हो गया. Is it clear beta? Susmit, can we proceed? Just you have to make V by Fa naught identical for each branches. If V by Fa naught is identical, then definitely the overall conversion from that branch will also same. Clear sir? चल बहुत अच्छी बात है. Very good. So now please solve this problem number 123. अभी इसको solve करेंगे सभी लोग. Problem बहुत आसान है. So यहाँ what I want to ask you, what should be the fraction of feed that you are going to send in a second branch? So problem here is the fraction of feed fed to the branch number 2 is. Okay, Okay, this is your branch 1. This is your branch 2. Now please solve this बेटा, फटाफट सॉल्व करेंगे. So 4 parts. I made 4 parts for you. Tell me one by one. So final timer started. Max 2 minutes from now. अभी किसी ने लिख के डिलीट किया था मैसेज है, कौन था भाई वो? जब ऐसे देखे तो डिलीट हो गया था वहां से, डिलीट होते हुए दिखा. I will accept only first comment as your final answer, so be careful before giving your answer. Anushka, different answer. Yeah, very good, but Anushka, please give me answer up to 3 decimal places, beta. Don't give answer like fraction. Okay? Fishes branch 3 कहाँ है रे भाई? Oh, I am sorry. This is branch 1 रे भाई. ब्रांच 3 है ही नहीं यार, कहाँ से लेके आए ब्रांच 3? ब्रांच 3 नहीं है बेटा, इसमें 2 ही ब्रांच है. गलती से 2 के बाद 3 आता है ना, तो 3 लिख दिया था. डन. थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी बेटा. टेल मी आंसर. डू इट लिटिल बिट फास्टर मैनर, इन फास्टर मैनर. चल ओके. सी सॉल्यूशन बेटा. So clearly here for first one, the total volume you have to write, that is 150 liter. So V1 here For first branch that is 150 liter, and for second branch total volume is 200 liter. Okay, now FA naught, FA1, FA2 given. So we know that V1 by FA1, it must become equals to V2 by FA2. Or further moving beta, I can write 150 by FA1 equals to 200 by FA2. It will give you that FA2 will be equals to 200 by 150. So 54s are 200, 53s are 150 of FA1. So we got one relationship beta. We got one relationship. Okay. But still we unable to understand what is the value of fraction of, because fraction must be in terms of FA naught. So we know that FA naught can be written as FA1 plus FA2. So in terms of FA1, if I want to write FA naught, then it's FA1 plus 4 by 3 FA1. Take 3 as LCM. So 3 plus 4, it's 7 FA1 by 3. 7 FA1 by 3. This is the value of FA naught. ये आपका FA naught का value है. Now for branch 1, if you are going to solve, then it's FA2 by FA naught. What is the value of FA2? It's 4 by 3 FA1, and here it's 7 by 3 FA1. F1 cancel, 3 cancel. Clearly it is 4 by 7. So if in one 4 by 7, so no need to worry about branch 2 because only 2 branches are there. So you can also obtain in this manner बेटा. आप इसको ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो directly. Okay. So 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. ये कितना आ रहा है बेटा 4 by 7? 7 5 जा 35, 5 0, 7 7 जा 49, 1 0, 1 जा and 4 जा. And here 3 by, ये 7 है, 3 by 7, रुको साफ लिख देते हैं, just wait. It's 3 by 7. So 7 4s are 28, 2 8 6. यही आपने भी दिया था? Yeah, same. Very good. Now statement is true or false? Tell me, this statement is true or false? स्टेटमेंट क्या है बेटा, सही है या गलत है? स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? वेरी गुड बेटा, क्या दास? ट्रू, वेरी गुड. स्टेटमेंट आपका सही है, ट्रू है. ठीक है. नाउ FA1 कितना होगा लिखने का है. सो हाउ टू गेट FA1? क्लियरली here the fraction that you are sending 0.5714, so just multiply 150 into 0.5714. it will give you the value. और कितना आ रहा है बेटा ये? टेल मी. 85.7. FA1 ये तो गलत लिख दिया. नहीं नहीं सही है. FA1 64.286. 64.286. now second one, if you want to calculate, then just you can get, or if you are going to subtract from total 150, so 150 minus 64.286, after solving you will get कितना आ रहा है? 85.714. 85.714. बोलो बेटा, सभी को ये क्लियर है? ये भी उल्टा लिख दिया क्या? एक मिनट देखते हैं. ब्रांच 1 4 by 7. ब्रांच 1 4 by 7 सही तो लिखा है बेटा? कहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा है? ये उल्टा लिख दिया क्या हम लोगों ने? 100 plus 50, 150 and 200. वेट, फर्स्ट ब्रांच में 150 है, फर्स्ट ब्रांच 150 है. ठीक है. ओके ओके. FA naught is FA1 plus FA2. FA2 okay, 7 by 3 FA1. Okay, so FA2 by FA naught. FA2 is 4 by 3. ओके ओके, यहाँ FA2 लिख दिया है ना, तो ये आपका ब्रांच 2 का होगा ना, और ये आपका ब्रांच 1 का होगा. ये fa2 है तो ये ब्रांच 2 हो गया ना, ये ब्रांच 1 यहाँ पे ये चेंज हो जाएगा, और जब ये चेंज होगा देन ये भी चेंज हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज योर fa1 नाउ एंड दिस इज योर fa2 नाउ। बोलो सभी को क्लियर? यहाँ भी चेंज हो जाएगा। अरे यार फिर से उल्टा कर दिया क्या? देखो सही है कि फिर से चेक करें, रीचेक करें? fa2 4/7, fa2 4/7 ठीक है। 2 ये वाला है 2 4/7, ये पहले वाला सही था, ये तो सही था यार, ये तो सही था। देख लो एक बार मिला लो बेटा प्लीज, चेक दिस। देख लो बेटा, जस्ट चेक इट। नो बेटा नीरज कुमार, v बाई एफ नॉट मस्ट बी सेम फॉर बोथ ब्रांचेस, दोनों ब्रांच का सेम ही आएगा। ओके नीरज एक बार फिर से आप चेक कर लो बेटा, पहली ब्रांच का देख लो, दूसरे फर्स्ट में v इज नॉट 50, v इज 150 फॉर ब्रांच नंबर 1। ओके नीरज, देख लो 1 2 में पेज पलटने में कुछ मिस्टेक लिख दिया हो आगे का पीछे, तो एक बार मिला लेना यार। नीरज बेटा इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर? टेल मी कैन वी प्रोसीड? 150/4/7 v1 बाई fa1। बेटा दैट इज fa2 ना, आपका इसलिए गलत आ रहा है बेटा, fa1 इज 3/7। सी ब्रांच 1 इज 3/7, इट्स नॉट 4/7, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर गेटिंग डिफरेंट आंसर बेटा नीरज। ओके चेक इट अगेन एंड देन टेल मी। वो आपने गलती कर दिया ना, ऊपर का नीचे नीचे को ऊपर लिया, इसलिए आपको गलत आ रहा है। चेक इट अगेन एंड टेल मी। वेरी सॉरी सर, नो नीड सॉरी बेटा, जस्ट टेल मी नाउ, इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? अभी क्लियर हो गया ना? कैन वी प्रोसीड? शो मी योर एनर्जी बेटा, कैन वी प्रोसीड? एवरीवन जस्ट राइट क्रिस्टल क्लियर इन कमेंट सेक्शन बेटा, सभी लोग फटाफट लिखेंगे। क्रिस्टल क्लियर ओके। ई पार्ट, if if in branch 1 x times feed sent in comparison to branch 2, the value of x is. जल्दी बोलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन. The value of x is. If in branch 1 x times feet sent in comparison to branch 2, the value of x is. .75 confirm. So branch 1 x times of branch 2. So clearly mentioned, branch 2 is, see, in branch 1 x times feet sent in comparison to branch 2. So x times of branch 2 in branch 1. So x is clearly the ratio b1 by b2. What is the value of b1 branch 1 feed is? That is your fa1. Okay, and in branch 2 how much? It's 4 by 3 fa1. fa1 cancelled, so 1 by 4 by 3, that means you can write 3 by 4. क्या बात है बेटा, it's exactly 0.75. बेटा why you are writing 0.749 है उसका विश्वास? It is clearly 0.75. लग रहा है आपने वैल्यूज से निकाल लिया क्या? इससे निकाल लिया लग रहा है. Because we approx up to decimal places na here. So here answer is 0.75. Done? Yes sir. Okay, so now can we proceed beta? क्या हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं? So next is CSTR and PFR in series. Next heading is PFR and CSTR in series. One more step. एक और स्टेप आप आगे बढ़ गए. चलो भाई फटाफट आ जाओ. Please draw this diagram. Now here two cases are possible beta. PFR followed by CSTR or CSTR followed by PFR. We will deal both. दोनों को ही हम लोग डिटेल में देखेंगे. So here case 1 is CSTR can we write it PFR followed by CSTR? and here case 2 we can write CSTR followed by PFR. This is your CSTR. This is your PFR. The flow rate you can write same like here FA naught, here also FA naught. Here initial conversion I am assuming in both cases as 0. If it is not 0, then no need to worry. Already I told you what to do. Just the limit will be changed for this PFR. Here it is XA1, here it is XA2. Here again this is XA1 and this is your XA2. Now how to deal this? इसे कैसे डील करेंगे? इसे कैसे डील करेंगे? So आइए देखते हैं one by one both cases. So first case, please write down everyone. That is PFR followed by CSTR. PFR followed by CSTR. FA naught, the volume of PFR is V1. The volume of CSTR is V2. The conversion that you are getting after this PFR is XA1 and after this CSTR is XA2. And here beta XA naught is 0. Now this is your CSTR. So for PFR, the design equation that you are going to use is V1 by FA naught. Here it is FA1, here this is FA2. Okay, so V1 by FA naught, and that becomes equals to, clearly this is PFR, so you can add 0 to XA1 and then dXA upon minus RA1. Okay, here inside this the rate is RA1 and inside this reactor the rate is RA2. Okay, now if you want to write equation for CSTR, after solving you will get the value of XA1. So for CSTR you have to write V2 by FA2 is equals to, just tell me beta, is it correct or not correct? फटाफट आप लोग बोलोगे, is it correct or not correct for CSTR? Correct or wrong? ये सही है या गलत है? Wrong है. चलो भाई सही करते हैं. Okay, I'm going to make it correct. Now tell me, is it correct now? Is it correct now, my dear students? Very good, very good. So now please tell me, is it correct now? Is it correct now? No, sir. So please show me correct expression and share picture with me here. फटाफट सही वाला लिखो और हमको शो करो क्या है सही फिर. Everyone just share. जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे बेटा प्लीज. क्या बात भाई. सुष्मित नंदी, सभी लोग भेजेंगे. एवरीवन, everyone, and also please write what is ra1, what is ra2. Suppose I'm writing first order. Okay, no, just give me what is ca1 and what is ca2. Okay, ca1 and ca2 भी लिखेंगे and then show me. Come on everyone बेटा. अनुष्का विश्वास, वेरी गुड. सभी लोग लिखो. सेंड में पिक्चर बेटा. सभी लोग फटाफट पिक्चर सेंड करेंगे हमें. Only after seeing your copies then I will proceed. Very good. सुष्मित नंदी. क्या बात है भाई. क्या दास, बहुत अच्छी है भाई. अनुष्का विश्वास बेटा आधा आया आपका, बाकी तो दिख ही नहीं रहा. अनेबल टू सी डिजाइन इक्वेशन. ठीक है बेटा. क्या था, वेरी गुड. ये प्लस प्लस मत लगाओ यार. सेंड मी योर पिक्चर. अच्छा, नॉट लोडिंग. कोई बात नहीं, तो किसी के इमेज पे बता दो. सेम सेम लिख के भेज दो. सेम सर. शिवा तरुण, आपका नहीं आया बेटा आंसर. शिवा तरुण, आर यू देयर? वेरी गुड बेटा. So almost all answers received from your side are wrong. लगभग सारे बच्चे गलत हैं. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट शिवा तरुण आपका सही हुआ इस बार। ओके बेटा, you forget I told you now this conversion that you are writing here. Suppose I'm giving some numerical values. Just try to focus here. Suppose this is 30% and this is 50%. So how much conversion done by this CST? That is 20%. Is it 20% of this FA1 or is it 20% of this FA0? Please tell me. Please tell me everyone. Is it दिस इज 20% ऑफ व्हाट? ये जो 20% सी एस टी आर ने किया है, दिस इज ऑफ एफ ए वन और एफ ए नॉट? क्लियरली एफ ए नॉट ना यार बेटा, इट इज ऑफ एफ ए नॉट। लाइक इफ दिस इज 100, 30%, सो यहाँ पे ये 70 हो गया। अगेन 50%, दैट मीन्स हियर दिस इज नॉट 50। सो इफ यू आर राइटिंग 20% ऑफ 70, इट विल बी 14 ना। 14 इज नॉट कन्वर्टेड नाउ, 20 is converted, so it's 20% of 100 now yaar. Are you able to understand? I already told these things in my previous lecture. Okay, जब आपको CRE में CSTR इन सीरीज जब हमने आपको इनिशियली एक बार और पढ़ाया था बीच में, या नेचर इज क्यूमुलेटिव ना। Everyone able to understand? Everyone able to understand? So how much rate disappear here? It's RA2 into V2. This rate has disappeared here. Okay, and this number of moles disappear here, and the same thing you can write like how much. So sir, it's xa2 minus xa1 fa0, so 20% of fa0. This is the balance equation na beta here. This is the balance equation na, ra2 into v2. So ra2 is mole per meter cube per second, and what is v2? Meter cube. So this mole per second is going to convert it in this reactor. And how to write it? xa2 minus xa1, so this is 20%. So of what? fa0 100, so it's not 20 mole per second beta. Are you able to understand? बोलो सभी को क्लियर है? नाउ इन फ्यूचर यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस मिस्टेक। क्या अब आप ये मिस्टेक करोगे क्या दोबारा से? ये बताओ, ये मिस्टेक नहीं होगी किसी की? फील इन कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ? फील इन कॉन्फिडेंट? सभी को क्लियर? Now again a typical diagram I am making for 1 by RA versus JXA. So first one is PFR. So बेटा this area under curve, बेटा एक बार बता दो सभी को क्लियर है ना? वो डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछ लो। This area under curve is going to give you the value of V1 by FA0. Okay, and this area under curve, no, this time not area under curve, this is CSTR. So you have to make rectangle this area now. This complete area is now give you the value of V2 by FA0. बोलो सभी को क्लियर? अनुष्का विश्वास, yes sir, clear, will not repeat it sir. Okay, very good beta, don't repeat this mistake in future now, because how to write how much moles converted? You have to write rate of that reactor followed by volume of that reactor. And now this mole per second, how to write? xa2 minus xa1 and of what? fa0. So this is the balance equation ना यार। बोलो सभी को क्लियर है? एक बार सब लोग क्रिस्टल क्लियर लिखेंगे। एवरीवन प्लीज राइट क्रिस्टल क्लियर सो दैट वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड बेटा। बोलो सभी को क्लियर? इट्स वेरी इजी। ग्राफ इज ऑल्सो क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। हाउ टू ड्रॉ ग्राफ फॉर दिस केस? चलो क्लियर है तो नेक्स्ट लिख लो CSTR फॉलोड बाय PFR। क्रिस्टल क्लियर सर, क्या बात भाई, बहुत अच्छे। नाउ सी सेकेंड केस। FA0, volume is V1, volume is V2, Fa2, Xa2, Fa1, Xa1, Ca2, Ca1, Ca0, V0. Similarly, here you can also write Ca1, Ca2, and you know Ca1 can be written as Ca0 1 minus Xa1. Similarly, when you are writing Ca2 beta, please don't write here Ca1. It's again it's Ca0 because nature is cumulative here. So just try to avoid these silly mistakes. Now for this case, now I hope that you can write very easily. So this is your CSTR, this is your PFR. For CSTR, what design equation you are going to use? It's V1 by Fa0 equals to Xa1 by minus Ra1. Okay. If Xa0 is 0, if not 0, then you have to write Xa1 minus Xa0. Similarly, for PFR beta, can you tell me what you can write for PFR this time? Tell me beta. जरा PFR का लिख के हमें शो करोगे सभी लोग, प्लीज सेंड में फॉर PFR. क्या बात बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. अनुष्का विश्वास, वेरी गुड बेटा. शिवा तरुण, फैंटास्टिक. बहुत अच्छा बेटा, मैंने सभी का सही है. Everyone absolutely correct. So it will be V2 by Fa0 and that becomes equals to Xa1 to Xa2 dxa upon minus Ra2. Now on diagram you can also see it why the limit is Xa1 to Xa2. You can also see on diagram beta, आप diagram पे भी इसे देख सकते हो. So 1 by Ra versus Xa. But these things are very important, most important things, and you had seen that after dealing in such a detailed manner still you are doing mistakes. That's why beta, every time I'm asking please show me your copy. Okay, because very important topic, and definitely minimum 2 marks they are going to ask just from today's lecture in GATE examination 2026. केवल आज के इस लेक्चर से 2 नंबर के प्रश्न आपके आने के स्ट्रॉन्ग चांसेस आर देयर. So this is your CSTR. So it will give you V1 by Fa0 and here it will give you V2 by Fa0. Now see beta, V2 by Fa0, how to write limit here? See, area under curve Xa1 to Xa2, Xa1 to Xa2 of 1 by Ra. See, Xa1 to Xa2. आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ग्राफ? इस ग्राफ की मदद से समझ में आया ना, क्योंकि यहाँ देखो जो एरिया अंडर कर्व ले रहे वो एक्स से टू, एक्स वन से एक्स टू, जब जीरो से एक्स रहता था तो जीरो से एक्स लिखते थे लिमिट। अभी एक्स वन से एक्स टू यही तो लेना है एरिया, इसके नीचे का जो एक्स वन से एक्स टू तक जा रहा है। ओनली यू हैव टू टेक एरिया दैट इज above x1 and x2 or below this curve between this x1 and x2. Crystal clear na? With the help of graph also able to understand, able to recognize. चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है यार, fantastic. Now see one fundamental numerical I am going to make for you, just wait. So that should be problem number 124. See, solve this question beta. 124, just wait. In short I am writing this question. Okay, short में लिख रहे हैं, फटाफट देखेंगे. So A is forming product, this reaction is given, suppose this reaction is given, and they are writing that Ra is equals to KCA. R is equals to KCA, and they are also mentioning liquid phase reaction, liquid phase reaction, and the value of K you can assume 0.1 minute inverse first order, so the unit will be time inverse. The value of CA0 2 mole per liter, and the value of FA0 take as 10 mole per minute. Okay, if reaction happens in a combination of, first केस क्या था यार, PFR followed by CSTR, PFR followed by CSTR in series, PFR followed by CSTR in series, ओवरऑल कन्वर्जन कितना ले लें, 70 और 95 ले लेते हैं. Then the then V PFR is how much liter, V CSTR is how much liter. Okay, as shown below. So PFR followed by CSTR, diagram is also mentioned. This is your PFR and this is your CSTR. Okay, and they're also mentioning feed is pure A. देखो इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन बना दिया आपके लिए. And here the conversion they are writing in this diagram 0.70, and here they are writing 0.95. 0.95. This is PFR, this is CSTR. Now please solve it बेटा. चलो इसे सॉल्व करके दिखाओ. You have to get the volume of PFR as well as CSTR. Problem is clear ना? Data clear है, क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, what given and what asked. Solve it, beta. Give both answers in single comment. Give both answers in a single comment. You can give up to 2 decimal places. बहुत अच्छे बेटा, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, बिल्कुल सही जवाब है। 60.2 एंड 6119 एंड 250, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। चलिए यहाँ सॉल्यूशन देख लें बेटा फटाफट। सो फॉर पी एफ आर you can solve V PFR upon FA naught. So what is the value of FA naught? It's 10. It's 10. And that equals to 0 to what is the value of XA1? It's 0.70. And dXA upon minus RA. And minus RA is KCA. And KCA can be written as KCA naught 1 minus XA. So VPFR, further this 10 can be written here 10 upon what is the value of K? It's 0.1. What is the value of CA naught? It's 2. And its value will be minus ln of 1 minus XA. And you have to put limit 0 to 0.7. So just this is 100 by 2, it's 50. And 50 multiplied with minus ln of 1 minus 0.7, that means 0.3. It will give you nearly 60.19 liter. Okay, sabhi ko clear? Now similarly my dear students, you can do for CSTR. That is an equation will be V CSTR by FA naught again beta, and that is written as XA2 minus XA1 by minus RA2. Now just put values here. So V CSTR can be written as FA naught. What is the value of FA naught? It's 10. And 10 multiplied with XA2. XA2 is given 0.95. So please put here 0.95 and minus XA1 0.70. And upon RA2 is K CA naught 1 minus XA2. Or here you can write 0.95, 0.70, 0.25. So you can write here 2.5 in numerator. And K is 0.1, CA naught is 2. And 1 minus XA2, that is 0.05. So I think after solving you will get 250 liter. बोलो बेटा सभी को क्लियर है ना? Everyone crystal clear? Very easy. Very easy. आसान था? चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Now one more question you have to do, and with the help of next question one beautiful analysis will also come in front of you. This is problem number 125. Same data as in problem 1 to 4, but now PFR, CSTR. So CSTR followed by PFR. CSTR followed by PFR with V of PFR as 60.19 liter and V of CSTR as 250 liter. So the overall conversion is overall percentage conversion is. इसे solve कर सकते हो बेटा? This time I'm asking about overall conversion. That means same data except XA1 and XA2. This time we know volume. अभी हमको volume पता है बेटा. This time diagram is this one. So I'm asking this overall conversion, that is XA2, that is XAF, final conversion. Okay. And clearly mentioned with same data. So please solve it. जल्दी से solve कर दो यार इसे. I'm also start solving because just 1 minute left in today's lecture. So please don't cheat from slide को देखेंगे नहीं कोई भी, and do it. FA naught was 10. K 0.1 K CA naught 1 minus XA1. So 250 by 10, 25. 25 to the 50, 55. So it will be 5. So XA1 will be 5 upon 5 plus 1, it's 5/6. सही है कि गलत कर दिया? 250, so it's 25, it's 2.5, 2 is a 5, so it's 5. And by short trick, yeah, I think it is correct. So 6, 8 is a 48, 20, 3 is a 1820, so 8333. I hope सही लगाया हो यार, आप भी चेक कर लो प्लीज. फॉर PFR V PFR by FA naught equals to what is x1 0.8333 to XA final dXA upon minus RA, and that is K CA naught 1 minus XA final. XA final. So VP is 60.19. FA naught is 10. That equals to 1 by K is 0.1, C naught is 2, and here it will be minus ln of 1 minus XA. ये XA ही लिखते हैं यार, यहाँ तो लिमिट लगी है ना, and the limit will be 0.8333 to XAF. Further solving, 6.019, 2 into 0.1 will be 0.2, and that equals to, first put lower limit because of this negative sign, so ln of 1 minus 0.8333 and whole divided by 1 minus XAF. Just solve it beta, and I hope after solving XAF will be 0.95. ये तो हमको पता था. This one I know. So my dear students, answer is 95%. So what conclusion we got here beta? What conclusion? See, same overall conversion, same overall conversion for PFR followed by CSTR or CSTR followed by PFR. Are you able to understand beta? क्या ये समझ में आया आपको? This beautiful conclusion. Tell me my dear students. Tell me, is it crystal clear? Crystal clear, sir. But one more thing, my dear students. Only for first order reaction. This is possible only for first order reaction. For second order, the case will be changed. Yeah, better Shivatun, there is no difference. But only for first order. CSTR followed by PFR or PFR followed by CSTR, it doesn't matter. If you are using same size CSTR PFR, again in reverse manner, no need to worry, overall conversion will remain same. Overall conversion will remain same, like 95%, 95%. Also proved. ये आपको फीलिंग भी दे दिया, ये हम लिख भी सकते थे, बट ये फीलिंग के साथ देखो न्यूमेरिकल भी लग गया, फीलिंग भी मिल गई. फीलिंग इज देयर as well as with the help of numerical. Is it crystal clear beta? Is it crystal clear my dear students? My dear student Anushka Viswas, XA1 is more, it doesn't matter कि आपका XA1 ज़्यादा आपको मिल रहा है because you are using 250 लीटर, you are not using 60 लीटर. आप पहले 250 लीटर लगा रहे हो. So XA1, the intermediate conversion definitely is going to change. 100% it will change. But overall conversion is not going to change, but only in case of first order reaction. Okay? Done my dear students? फटाफट बोलेंगे बेटा सभी लोग, एवरीवन क्रिस्टल क्लियर? नो, if you want more feeling, more feeling, so for your more feeling I am giving you homework. Problem number 126, problem number 127. So see beautiful homeworks beta. होमवर्क क्या है सर? होमवर्क आंसर्स बेटा लिखना भूल गए, टुमारो आई विल गिव यू, ओके, और आई विल शेयर ऑन टेलीग्राम, ओके. सो होमवर्क, सेम डेटा, same data as in problem 124, okay, but for second order reaction, okay. Now same data as problem 124 except XA1 and XA2. Use VCSTR, VPFR of प्रॉब्लम 126 आंसर. आप प्रॉब्लम में जो आंसर पाओगे वॉल्यूम्स, वो वॉल्यूम्स आपको यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करना है, ओके. एंड क्लियरली अगेन सेम डेटा एज प्रॉब्लम 124 एक्सेप्ट दिस, बट फॉर second order reaction, and clearly again we are dealing things for epsilon a equals to 0. Epsilon a equals to 0, what will happen if epsilon a is not equal to 0? Don't worry, you will also see, okay, clearly here also for this case, because clearly mentioned liquid phase, so no need to worry about epsilon. बोलो सभी को क्लियर है? सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क 126 एंड 127, ये आपका होमवर्क है. डन? और होमवर्क चाहिए क्या? चलो एक और होमवर्क ले लो, एक और होमवर्क ले लो, मजा आएगा. कॉपी पेस्ट कर देते हैं भाई हम तो होमवर्क. सो दिस इज 127, सो ये हो जाएगा 128, ये हो जाएगा 129, ये 129. So here your homework is not for second order, for 0.5 order, okay. And in 129 again this is not second order, it is for half order reaction. So same analysis you have to do, okay. Same analysis करना है half order के लिए और second order के लिए. Same analysis you have to do for half order as well as for second order. और एक काम करो, अभी होमवर्क बाकी है, और होमवर्क ले लो, ये लो और होमवर्क ले लो. 129, सो ये हो गया 130, 131. सी, so this time same you have to do, but not for this time you have to do for zero order reaction, and here also you have to do for zero order reaction. That means same analysis you have to do for 0, half and 2. Now that's it for today's lecture. Now at last, ये सब तो PYQ बाद में दिखाने थे भाई आपको, अभी क्यों दिख रहे हो भाई? कहाँ गया वो छोटा सा बच्चा? टॉपर, मेरा टॉपर बच्चा कहाँ है? सर आई एम हियर, आई एम योर टॉपर बिकॉज आई डू रिविजन डेली. सो बेटा, if you want rank 1, rank 100 and rank 1 in these two ranks nearby, revision is the key. I must do my vision daily, 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 I must do my vision daily beta. In this manner definitely you are going to join your dream job. Take care, all the best, a very very happy good night to all of you beta, love you all. Yeah beta, same thing you have to find, you have to find same thing, okay. आपको same निकालना है, like you had done for first order. First you have to calculate volume, and for second case using that volume you have to calculate XA1 XA2 both, okay. मेहना बेटा, आपको सेम पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हर एक वही एनालिसिस करनी है। पहले आपको वॉल्यूम निकालना है और फिर अगले केस में उस ऑर्डर के लिए उस वॉल्यूम का इस्तेमाल करके कन्वर्जन निकालना है। ठीक है, क्लियर बेटा? Hindi, English in both languages. I repeat, homework repeated. So take care, beta. All the best to all of you once again. Everyone enjoyed today's lecture. मजा आया सभी को ना? क्या बात है. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir. You're all welcome, my dear students. Take care.